Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your Wi-Fi icon is not showing in the tab icon here in Windows 11. So I'm going to show you a couple of fixes to solve this problem. So first of all, you just need to go to the start menu, then go to settings, then in the left corner click on this network and internet option. Then you need to check if your airplane mode is turned off. Otherwise, if your airplane mode is turned on, the Wi-Fi icon will not be showing in this taskbar here. Then if your airplane mode is turned off and it's still not showing, what you need to do is just go to the advanced network settings, then go to the network reset option, click on it. Then you need to click on reset now. Then just click yes. This will reset your all the internet and Wi-Fi option, and then you need to restart your PC and check if your Wi-Fi icon is showing here. So this is the first method that will fix your Wi-Fi icon missing. And the second method is if it's still not showing, just go to the search bar and search for device manager. Open the device manager. You need to check if your Wi-Fi adapters are turned enable or the disable here. So just choose the network adapters. And here's the adapter here, the first option. Right click on it and check if your adapter is disabled here. So if it's enable option, just click on enable device. Mine is enabled, that's why it's showing disabled device. And after that, if it's still not working, you need to go to the update driver here. Then click on browse my computer for drivers. Then choose let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then you need to reinstall your driver with the updated version here. As you can see, my update version is this, which is 2024. So just click next here and it will install my drivers. If there is any error, it will successfully resolve that. Then you just need to restart your PC and hope this will fix your problem of the Wi-Fi icon missing from your Windows 11. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.